going to make one of these and one of these. Oh, come back again. Alright, let's get started. Take the lid off. The straw, don't need that. Recycle that a little bit later. Alright, we're going to cut it in half. Just up the sides till the scissors stop. We're going to stop it just right there. Ready? Ready on the other side. We all know how to do half up the side till the scissors stop. Good. Now, do these little V's. Little V's be good. A little V the other side, and that's going to help us just whiz them out of the way. That's cool. And slide it around. Yes, it's coming around very nicely. This one's coming along really good. A couple of staples, hold it together, and you've got the wings to the plane. Now, cut it down the side. There's looking good. Up till it stops, and turn around and do the other side. Watch out for your fingers. So far, so good. Up the other side, and get ready to fold it round and make the letter T. Not a Q, a T. Which reminds me, I want a cup of tea after this. And sugar. Okay, now cut a little tail. Cut the tails off there. Be careful on your fingers again. Make a little bit of a tail plane. Make it look like an aeroplane. It'd be really cool. Slide up there. Watch your fingers. Keep saying that. Obviously, I'll hurt my fingers one day. And we're going to need a counterweight. Let's put that on the front there. Just a peg. Peg will do. Fold the tail down. And will it fly? Will it fly? Will it fly? And it flies. Cool. That's a take. Oh, and the other one. Might as well throw that one. Throw them all away. Why not do that? Well, I'm off. I'm off to have a cup of tea. See you all later. Goodbye. Take your rubbish with me. I'll make something out of that on the way out. See you later.